Communication allows everyone to know the project in its entirety, its objectives, key points, delicate parts, or limits, aligning the work to be carried out on site from all the work roles involved. From the beginning of the project, it is important to establish, and in case of doubt, ask for channels so the information flows between the actors on site in the project. Getting the message across in a clear way that is understandable to all those involved without provoking doubts. When working with people, effectiveness will depend on factors such as motivation, clear and concise operating rules, assertive communication, interaction, or sharing quality information quickly. Calling for help in time. It shows responsibility, as failure to do so can delay your work and the work of others. Being assertive. Expressing your needs, opinions and boundaries in a respectful and confident manner, considering the rights and feelings of others. Listening actively. Listen to understand, not just to respond in your turn, providing feedback and asking clarifying questions. When you have useful information for other regarding the role of each team member, the division of labour, how to perform a task, or even a problem you have already faced. When in doubt and in need for help, talk and make it clear about the work to be done, whether to intervene in any element, whether any limit has been crossed or any rule has been infringed. When you see a problem, it is important to report it, but it can be even more useful to identify the right person to make decisions about it and propose some potential solutions with the correct context.